Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno 5 and the iPhone XR, and today we are going to make the speed test. We are going to check which one is faster. So at first we are going to turn off both devices. I will start from the boot animation. Okay, I think we are ready, so let's start. Let's see which one will be turned on first. Okay, so what do you think, guys? I think that OPPO Reno 5 might be first. And I prepare 15 apps. Base apps, games, social apps, and we will check which one is faster. Okay, as you can see, iPhone is faster than the OPPO Reno 5. Okay, let's turn it off. And as you can see here, I got the same 15 apps, and we are going to turn on them. But at the first, I will show you the currently software of both smartphones. So when you go for general and about, here you can find that the software version for iOS is 14.5, and on the OPPO Reno we got Android 11, the ColorOS version 11.1, and of course the iPhone got 4 gigs of RAM, while on the OPPO you got 8. So let's turn it off. And let's start. Of course, the speed animation on the OPPO Reno 5 is on the half of the normal speed. So just check it out. There it is. And the refresh rate is set up on the 90 Hz. And on the iPhone we got stock 60. So let's start and let's check how it works. I think the same speed. If I'm not correct, you have to tell me that in the comments. Calculator, I think the slightly faster on the iPhone. Let's open the camera. Let's make it another time, because there was some kind of notification. I think it's the same speed. YouTube Music. Faster on the OPPO. Let's open the Google Chrome. I think the same speed. Let's go for Instagram. I don't know. You tell me in the comment. YouTube. Yeah, faster OPPO. Gmail. Another time OPPO win. Nice. Let's open Google Maps. And in the Google Maps we got also the same notification as in the camera, so let's open it another time. I think the same speed. Let's go for the Google Translate. OPPO first. TikTok. Faster on OPPO. Netflix. Faster on OPPO another time. Let's go for the account. And right now when you open the account, it was faster on the iPhone. Let's open games like Call of Duty. And as you can see, the OPPO Reno was first. Nice. We can choose account. But of course we are not going to log in. Let's turn it off. While on the iPhone we have to still wait. Okay, it takes a lot of time to the iPhone. Let's open Wild Rift. And the Wild Rift is faster on iPhone. Next, the Brawl Stars. And the first one was OPPO Reno. Nice. Right now, let's open the apps another time and let's check the RAP management. So let's go for the settings, iPhone, calculator, I think the same speed, camera, iPhone, YouTube Music, iPhone, Instagram, or now Google Chrome. Right now faster on the iPhone. Right now we have to open Instagram. I think it was iPhone. Let's open YouTube. And right now faster a little bit on the iPhone. Let's go for the Gmail. Faster on OPPO. Google Maps. I think faster here. Google Translate. I think the same speed. Let's go for the TikTok.
Sing along if you know this song from the 2000s.
It was the same speed probably. Netflix. Faster on OPPO, and let's log into your account. And faster on iPhone like previously. Then open the game Call of Duty. And here we have to reload the game, but on the iPhone it's already ready, so let's go back. Wild Rift. As you can see here, we can join to account, but on the OPPO we have to reload the game. So definitely faster on iPhone. And the last game, the Brawl Stars. And another time faster iPhone. So I think that the iPhone was a little bit faster, and in a few tries it was better. But of course you can count that and tell me in the comment what you think. I think that OPPO Reno 5 really performed good. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.